Increase 200 cedis by 10%. Increase 200 cedis by 10%. There are two ways in solving this. When we take our solution, let's look at the first method. That is method 1. Let's take our method 1. You have 200 cedis with you, and they want you to increase the money by 10%. So what you need to do is to find 10% of the money. After you have gotten the 10% of the money, you now add the 10% to the money itself. That tells you that you have increased the money by 10%. So 10% of 200 cedis. 10% of 200 cedis should be equal to 10% out of 100% by 200 cedis. Where percentage you cancel percentage, 100 into itself 1, 100 into 200 2. Therefore, I should be having 10 by 2 cedis, which is giving me 20 cedis. So 10% of 200 cedis is 20 cedis. Now at this point, I just need to find my total value. Therefore, total value is equal to, I was having 200 cedis, but I've increased it by 10%, which is 20 cedis. Therefore, I should be having 220 cedis. So when you increase 200 cedis by 10%, you should be having 220 cedis. Let's look at our method 2, which is the shortest one. Looking at what we have over here, 200 cedis was increased by 10%. The 200 cedis is the original amount, and original percentage we know is 100%. So if something is already 100% and I'm adding 10% to it, it means my new percentage will be equal to the 100% plus the 10%, which is giving me 110%. So I have my original percentage being increased by 10. Therefore, I should be working at 110% now. So my value will now be equal to 110% out of 100% times my 200 cedis. So at first, the original value, which is 200 cedis, its percentage is 100, but now I have increased it by 10%, so I would be working at 110%. This will reduce that 100 into itself 1, 100 into this 2, so I would be having 110 by 2 cedis, which is giving me 220 cedis. So this is the second method. Either the first one, you find 10% of the quantity and add it to the original, or with the second, add the percentage first and do your computation straight away.